Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to give a broad overview of Ericsson multi-gigabit microwave solution. Being part of the Ericsson radio system family, the overall solution is integrated with the RAN solution in terms of development, testing and verification. Over here we have the microwave split solution. It consists of the outdoor unit over here, which is a small and very compact. It has modulation up to 4096 core with a channel spacing of 112 MHz. The maximum throughput that it can give per single radio is 1.4 Gbps. Over here is the indoor unit. It houses the NPU and also the dual carrier modems. If you look at here, this is a full packet, full outdoor E-band solution. This is a 10 Gbps solution in a single radio. It's very much suited for 5G application. And here we have what we call the handball or a V-band solution running at 60 GHz with a 1 Gbps throughput, and this can be powered up via PoE. This is a quick overview of the Ericsson multi-gigabit microwave solution. Thank you.